What is up, YouTube world? It is your boy, Bobby Sneaker World. I am back. I hope it is a cold but beautiful day here in Columbus, Ohio. I hope all you guys are having a beautiful Friday or have a beautiful Friday since it is early. But today is the day, another drop. It's a Friday drop. Last time it was a Sunday drop for the I'm Back 10s. Today is Friday. Tomorrow there's another drop for the Royal Ones. But today is the day for the Vachetta.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Tan 12s. Woman's exclusive sneaker. I might try to pick up a pair for myself, but I am going to fulfill a pre-order first. I'm always going to take care of a pre-order before I take care of myself. I will get my pair at some point in the future if it's something I really want that badly. I have to see them in hand first before I determine if it's something I really want that bad. So I'm on my way to the mall bright and early. Got to get in line. Hopefully it's not crazy. But I'll see y'all after I get back in the car, because I'm gonna be up there before the mall opens, so I'm not just gonna sit there and record. So I'm back. I'm back in the car, obviously. On decky. So I'm gonna get out of the cramped car and give you a full detailed review again, just like I did on the I'm Back 10s. Got to give another review on these. I'll be right back. Hey y'all, so y'all can see I'm back now. I officially got them out of the bag. And I'm trying to do a lot of things outside just because I think the lighting might be a little better, but it may backfire on me because y'all can't really see. But as y'all see, you got another all white box. And there we go. Now you can see. You got that metallic gold Jumpman on the top of that. On the side, you got your 11.5. All my pre-orders, unfortunately, well, not unfortunately, whoever wanted them wants them, but were men. I didn't have any women pre-order these sneakers, and as you can see from the label on the side, this is the women Air Jordan 12 retros, and these are the Vachetta Tans. My man wears a 10 in men's. So let's crack into the box. Once again, I'm gonna try not to disturb the sneakers too much because these are not my personal pair. I wear a 10.5 in men's, but these are looking really nice. Really nice. So as you can see, you got the all tan upper. You got like a rubberized tan midsole with the gold hint Jumpman embossed. This bottom is like off-white a little. It's like, it's not all the way. It's like one of that sail white. You got tan Jumpman embroidered, and obviously you got your 2-3 down the middle. On your top eyelets, you also got gold hints. Sorry about the wind, guys. You also got your Jordan, and this back heel strap is all leather. This is all leather, pure leather. And it says quality inspired by the greatest player ever, 23 and tan on the back. Now what's really dope is this interior. Look at this. This is leather right here. Sorry if the lighting isn't hitting it. the best. On the medial side, got gold, all Vachetta Tan. Got these, picked these up for my man the Champs. As you can see, I think you got stamp over here. Put these back. Get your quality control sticker in there. So, you know, I would have got my own personal pair, because like I said, I could go up to a 12 in women's, but the guys in front of me at the mall took the 12s, so I was just able to, I'm always going to fulfill my pre-orders first before I worry about myself. Now it's on to the game Royals. OVE!